Up on the rooftop of San Francisco, checking out this refrigeration problem. Right now, if you look at the control diagram, you'll notice that there's TD2, time delay 2, is being fed by LP2, that's low pressure switch number 2. And if you look closely, there's two numbers there coming in and out, 838A and 843A. Those wires, I trace them over to this PL26. You put your meter across it, you should be seeing 120 coming in and 120 coming out, and I only have 120 going in, so the low pressure switch is open. So that's what's stopping these two contactors over there from not firing up for the compressors.